Listen, you're not tired. You're overstimulated. Your brain is fried from constant dopamine hits, and now real life feels boring. And if you don't fix this, you're going to stay weak, distracted, and stuck. Every single day starts the same. You wake up, grab your phone, and scroll before you even think. One video turns into 10. One scroll turns into 30 minutes gone. Then you sit down to work, and your brain refuses. You check your phone again, you switch tabs, you chase stimulation. And then you wonder why you feel empty, unfocused, and behind in life. Here's the truth. This isn't a motivation problem. This is a dopamine problem. You trained your brain to crave easy rewards, and now it rejects anything that requires effort. No routine will fix that until you fix your brain. So listen carefully. I'm going to give you 5 steps to reset your dopamine system and take back control. Not motivation, not hype. This actually works. 1. Eliminate morning dopamine spikes. Your brain is most sensitive when you wake up. If you flood it with stimulation, you destroy your focus for the entire day. Dopamine sets your baseline. High spikes make normal life feel dull. So here's what you do. No phone for the first 60 minutes. No scrolling, no porn, no instant entertainment. Replace it with silence, water, or movement. Control your morning or lose your entire day. 2. Train boredom tolerance. Right now, you can't focus because your brain rejects low stimulation. That's the real problem. Dopamine receptors shrink when you overstimulate them. Boredom is how you rebuild them. Sit in silence for 10 minutes every day. No music, no phone. Do one task daily with 0 background noise. And when your brain begs for escape, ignore it. Boredom is where discipline is built. 3. Remove cheap dopamine sources. Easy pleasure is killing your drive. Scrolling, porn, junk food, they give reward without effort, and that destroys ambition. So make it harder. Delete or limit your apps. Set strict usage caps. Block access to porn completely. Add friction to every bad habit. If it's easy, you'll do it. Easy pleasure creates a hard life. 4. Earn your dopamine. Right now, you reward yourself before you do anything meaningful. That's backwards. Dopamine is designed to reward pursuit, not consumption. So flip the system. No entertainment until the work is done. Set one daily win condition: gym, work, or study. Track it, complete it. Then you earn your reward. No work, no reward. Non-negotiable. 5. Build a controlled dopamine cycle. Your brain is chaotic because your stimulation is random. That's why you feel scattered. You need structure. Work in focused blocks, then rest fully. No half stimulation. Schedule your dopamine. Decide when you consume, not react to urges. Be intentional with your inputs. Control your inputs, control your mind. This isn't about quitting your phone. This isn't about detoxing for a few days. This is about who you become. Weak men chase dopamine. Disciplined men control it. You don't need motivation. You need control. Decide right now which one you are. Comment, "I'm ready," if you're done being controlled by your impulses. Subscribe for more no BS discipline content. This is where weak habits die and strong men are built.